Now you can extract web data directly to your Google Drive. To set up data delivery, head to our dashboard. Click on the scraping section and choose one of the scrapers to which you have an active subscription. For this tutorial, we'll use SERP Scraping API and extract Google search data. In the Scrapers tab, hit Create New Project and choose one of the templates. Enter your query and specify parameters, pagination, and target specific settings. Once you're done, hit Save New Scraper and you'll be directed back to the Scrapers tab. Click on your saved scraper and choose Schedule. Then, select how often you would like to receive the output. For the delivery method, choose Google Drive and confirm by clicking Setup Integration. Click Connect, and you'll be directed to the sign-in page in the pop-up window. Continue logging into your Google account and allow us to access your Drive. Now, under Drive Account, you'll be able to see which Google profile is connected to our dashboard. The delivery folder specifies where new output will be uploaded with each web scraping request. You may copy the folder name to find it more easily in your Google Drive. Next, choose your data delivery format. To test your setup, hit the Test button. Then, go to your Google Drive in a separate window and paste the folder name into the search bar. Here, you'll see some example output saved in your chosen format. Back on our dashboard, hit Save to finish the Google Drive integration. Then, hit Save again. That's all you need to know to schedule web data delivery to Google Drive. If you want to automate your data collection, try our scrapers for free using the links in the description. For more integration guides, visit our YouTube channel and documentation.